In this video, I will be showing you how to use blog scripting techniques. So here's the thing. Your message, audience engagement, and conversion rate can all be significantly impacted by the quality of your video script, which serves as its blueprint. So now I will be giving you some techniques to use for vlog scripting. Number one we have here is specify your target and audience. You should know exactly what you want to accomplish and what you want to reach before you begin creating your video screenplay. If you're having a hard time thinking for a complex topic or a nice topic for your video, or then you can go to these AI sites and maybe you can get brilliant ideas or somehow topics. Now, always remember your screenplay's tone, style, and structure will be determined by your purpose and target audience. For instance, you may choose a more professional and instructive tone if you want to educate your audience on a complicated subject, or a more casual and hilarious tone if you want to amuse them with witty tale. Number two, create a story arc. The events that build tension, emotion, and interest in your video are known as a story arc. The three primary components of a narrative are typically the explosion, the climax, and the resolution. The characters, the scene, and the issue or difficulty that your video will tackle are all introduced in the exposition. Now, the turning point or action's pinnacle, where the issue or challenge is handled or changed, is known as the climax. What you want your audience to remember at the end, or what we call resolution, is the conclusion. Your video script can be more organized and engaging for viewers if it follows a story arc. Number three, we have here write your script using brief and complicated sentences. Writing a script like an essay or blog post is one of the biggest mistakes made by those who write screenplays for videos. Long and complicated sentences that are difficult to understand and deliver on camera can arise from this. Rather, write your script in short, easily understood sentences that are simple to read and speak. Make use of the active voice, omit acronyms and other things, and divide your thoughts into manageable paragraphs. So you can use some AIs or you can go to some AI sites. Somehow, of course, it can help you summarize, translate, and it can help you organize and make things faster and can give you more informed decisions. Okay, so there are tons of AI sites. All you have to do is to go and search. Okay, number four, include personality and feeling. Adding personality and emotion to your writing is another way to improve the readability and engagement of your video script. Personality and emotion can help you engage your audience more deeply and elicit a reaction from them regarding your subject. Using descriptive language, anecdotes, metaphors, humor, or stories can help to add emotion and personality. You can also project personality and emotion on camera by using your voice, body language, and facial expressions. You can use CapCut as your editing tool. Here you can add some effects to your voice and to your video. And last technique is change and polish your script. Your video script needs to be edited and revised after the first draft is finished in order to make it polished and ready for filming. And as what I have mentioned earlier, you can go to other sites, or let's just say AI sites, so that it could be easier for you. Editing and rewriting your script will help you make corrections, increase impact, and clarify your message. Your script can be edited and revised by reading it aloud, getting feedback from others, use grammar or spell check software and AI sites, or hire a professional editor. So these are a few techniques on how to for vlog scripting, and I do really hope that it somehow helped you.
If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.